everybody, and welcome back to my channel. So a lot of you guys are already starting to think about Christmas. As we are couponers, we also like to prepare ahead of time. We like to be, you know, somewhat organized. And like right now is the time where I'm starting to think of like, what can I get my kids for, you know, Christmas, and like how am I gonna pay for it. So this basically is a video that I'm gonna share with you guys how I prepare for like Black Friday and how I prepare for Christmas. Everybody does it differently. I know there's a lot of videos out there that shows everybody like what to do and everything, and most of you guys are like me. We're experts at Black Friday shopping, you know? But this year alone is gonna be very different than every other year, just because with COVID happening. I mean, I haven't seen any stores that are opening on Thanksgiving night, which I'm totally fine with, because I hated how I would always, you know, I can't pass up a deal, but I love it when I'm hanging out with my family, but I have to hurry up and go shopping because I want to get all this stuff, you know, at a decent price. But then I always had to work I had to wake up at 3:30 in the morning to go to work at 5. So I'm really excited that this is my first year where I do not have to work on Black Friday. But then COVID happened, but I do like it that a lot of the stores are staying closed. A lot of the stores right now, they're actually going to start their Black Friday shopping before Thanksgiving. Some of them are going to be doing a lot of online deals. A lot of them are going to be doing in-store deals. I know with Walmart, they're doing a couple different deals throughout different weeks. I think Bath and Body Works, they're starting their Black Friday sales before Thanksgiving. Or the week of Thanksgiving, and then I know Target is starting to do some stuff too. But I'm going to share with you guys like how I prepare for Black Friday. So one thing I do is I watch the ads like a hawk. I follow, I think it's blackfriday.com or something like that. It's actually, there's a couple different things that I follow. I follow them on Instagram, I follow them on Facebook, and then sometimes I think they send me emails. There's an email thing that you guys can send. So one thing I do is I follow those ads like crazy. There's certain stores that I always shop at on Black Friday. It's mostly Walmart, Target, sometimes Best Buy, and Kohl's. Those are like my main two stores, unless there's some other stores that have some really good deals. So one thing I really like getting is gifts for my family. I like to stock up on things, even if it's not going to be a Christmas present. Like, they always have a good deal on like socks and underwear and clothes and stuff. I always like to get that stuff. So I kind of get in a habit of what I want. Another thing I start doing of things that I do want is I start a Christmas wish list. Is kind of what I want. There is a app, I showed you guys this last year, but there's an app where you can just do Christmas list or Christmas wish list, and you guys can actually categorize it per person, and you can just write like what you want to get that person and how much it costs and yada yada yada. There's also one thing that I like to do is Amazon. Everybody shops on Amazon pretty much. I think like 99% of people shop on Amazon. What I actually start doing is around this time is I start adding things to my wish list of things that I want to get somebody, or, you know, things I'm looking for to buy. And I start putting those on my wish list. And I check my wish list at least every single day, maybe once or twice a day, because sometimes prices go down. Like, I think I got one time a thing that like was just, I don't even know what it was, but I know something was like super cheap, and then like 2 hours later it went back to normal. So like, you gotta watch Amazon like crazy. So like, I'm really into movies. I love movies. I'm starting to go more digital than physical, but I still love movies. So there's always some new releases that are coming out. This year kind of sucked because of COVID, but there's still some really good ones, and I like getting some oldies too. So I kind of do that. I make a Christmas list, plus I also have, you know, a list on Amazon. So another thing I do is, a lot of you guys have been seeing me really push apps like Ibotta. I really push Ibotta. Everybody's different. What I use Ibotta for is I roll my gift cards. So every time I'm shopping at Walmart, I get a Walmart gift card, and then I use that gift card to buy my stuff and come back. So basically that's what I do with my Walmart. Same thing with Target, but I've noticed Target has not been on Ibotta unless it comes on and off sometimes. And then there's some other apps like, you know, Starbucks and everything. So I kind of use Ibotta mostly for just like, you know, doing my Ibotta shopping. But there's Fetch Rewards, you guys. Fetch Rewards, there is a ton of gift cards that you guys can do. Now, Fetch Rewards, you get points for every time you buy specific products. You get bonus points if you buy those products that are right there when you open the app, or you get points. You get like 1% basically of every item, or how much this item costs. So that's something that I try to do, is I try to save up a lot of my Fetch Reward points to use for Christmas. Now, if you guys are using Fetch Rewards, please keep in mind, I kind of just wait until the very end, but please keep in mind you can only redeem a gift card every 6 hours. So that's kind of what I did last year, is I redeemed a gift card like 6 hours, then I put an alarm on for another 6 hours. Another thing to do when you guys are redeeming these gift cards is you can use them for your phone. I know some people print them off, but I use them on my phone and I screenshot them, because most of the time everybody in line is waiting in line and playing pretty much on their phone. So I just have it screenshotted, because then when I get to the register, I can just have it right then and there. I don't have to worry about it, because sometimes Wi-Fi doesn't work very well in the stores that I'm at, and sometimes the internet just, I'm like, Ben, no. Sometimes I just, you know, I'm sitting there like, really? Like, I shut the Wi-Fi off and the internet still does not work. So I always screenshot it. Every single thing I screenshot. Even sometimes with the sale items, I screenshot it. There's another app that I've been really pushing, Shopkick. I've been using Shopkick since that's actually the very first cashback app I have ever started using. All I was doing when I had my son is I would just go in the store and just start scanning items. That was the only thing that they had back in the day, was you just scanned items. Well, then they changed over the years where you guys would get points if you buy specific products. So lately I've been getting, like, every single time I go to Walmart, I've been getting like 20 bucks back every single time. I have enough to get, you know, I think I have like $150 worth of Shopkick points that I've gained just by buying specific products and scanning it. Scanning it, you guys can just scan it, and for free. You just walk into a store and start scanning things. You don't even have to buy it. So that's one thing I've been really trying to push, and so I'm pretty much saving those points until about Black Friday. There's the Flues app. Now, Flues is a little bit different. Flues is basically you guys get a percentage of what you paid in the store. Like some of you guys have mentioned that your store does not have service. What you guys could do, if you know how much you're gonna spend and you want to get like some money back, if you don't have enough gift cards but you want to get some money back, you guys can actually buy, what they are is you're buying instant gift cards. So like, let's say you want to go to like Walmart. Well, I think Walmart's like 0.5%. But let's just say we're going to go to Michael's. I think Michael's sometimes is 3 to 5%. So let's say we're going to get 5%. Well, I think I'm going to spend about 20 bucks. You guys can actually buy a $20 Flues instant Michael's gift card, and you guys will get 5% off of that. So then I just screenshot that and I have the store scan it, because it's basically a gift card. And then if I spend over 20 bucks, I use that whole gift card plus whatever, I can just pay whatever out of pocket. So that's something you guys can do. And then that percentage, you guys can actually buy gift cards with that. You can use that balance for those gift cards. So however you guys want to do that. A couple other apps that are not the greatest, but there's Saving Star and there's Checkout 51. There's the Receipt Hog and there's the Receipt Pal. Now, I recently just found out that there's a new app it's out. It's Amazon Panel or something like that. What you do is every 10 receipts that you get, that you submit, you'll get a $10 Amazon gift card. There is a waiting list. I just joined it, and I'm on the waiting list, so I can't tell you really anything else, but they will give you $10 a month. So I don't know how this is gonna blow up, but just giving you guys a heads up that there is a new app with that. There's also the P&G Everyday Points, okay? So basically, every time you guys buy a P&G product, you get 50 points for every product that you use. Now, most of you guys know all this stuff, but you can redeem those points for gift cards. Now, the gift cards come and go. They did put a limit where you can only get 2 gift cards a month. So, you know, right now is October, so if you guys are planning on buying, if Best Buy is still on there, or if you guys plan on buying something, buy your stuff now, you know, because I mean, with us couponing, we can get 700 points super easy. So that's another site. Sorry, my children want me. You can also do the Kellogg's Family Rewards. Family Rewards is where you just buy specific products, you submit your receipt, you guys get points. They actually do have gift cards on there that you guys can get. Instead, you can get prizes or you can get gift cards. I haven't gotten a gift card there yet, but you guys can go ahead and do. My family, it's like 9 o'clock at night and my family cannot live without me. So another thing that I've been telling you guys like crazy to start getting gift cards or free money is swag bucks and my points. So basically, every time you guys print a coupon from there, you get points. And then every time you redeem those coupons that you print, you get points also. There's also things where you guys can do like surveys and you can submit some receipts to it. There's a ton of other things to do. If you guys are ever just bored and you want to sit there, you guys can get points. I think every 1,000 points on swag bucks is what is it? I think it's 10 bucks. It's a little bit different. And my points, I still haven't gotten it down, but I usually gain all that stuff for a whole entire year, and then at the end of the year is when I do redeem it. Now, please give yourself at least 2 to 3 weeks if you guys are using those gift cards, if you do redeem them, because they will not be available when you want them. They sometimes take like 1 to 2. I think like 1 week is the max it could take, but just to be cautious, you guys. And then they send you e-gift cards. Again, I screenshot it, and there we go. So that is all the apps that I use to get free money. I know pretty much a lot of you guys have that, but you know, just saying, you know, not everybody knows about it. And a lot of those you have to do 0 effort and you guys get points. So what basically is how I have a plan. So like I was saying, I figure out what stores I want to go to. In the past, like I think Target opened at like 5 or 6, and then like Walmart opened at 5. So basically I would figure out what store opened where, and then I would figure out what I want to get at that store, and I'd also figure out what store to go to. Like in my area, we have 2 Walmarts that are within about 15 minutes of each other. I have 2 Targets that again those Targets are probably less than 10 minutes apart. So I kind of figure out like what store is going to have more people and what store is going to be not as a lot of people. Like I live, you know, I live near a major city, but it's just really hard to say. So you guys want to try to figure out what stores you want to go to and what time. And then usually my last store I go to is Kohl's. Kohl's, I know the line's going to be super long. I'm usually in line at Kohl's for an hour to an hour and a half, but I also have like $200 worth of clothes in my hands. So that's my last stop because I'm pretty much done shopping over that. So that's just kind of what I figure out. Like I said, I check out the ads way beforehand. Now this is something I printed off last year. I made this myself. I will have a link below for you guys. But it's basically a Black Friday shopping list. So what I do is as I'm shopping through the ads, I kind of write down what item it's at, what the store's at, what the price is, and then if it's for somebody, if there's a size or a color, and then I write what the hours of the store are. Now last year they actually did change it. They had it where the stores opened at a specific time, but then they closed at a specific time, which was kind of nice. You know, not everybody had to stay out so late. So this has helped me. I just kind of just dig this piece of paper out, especially when I see the same item at multiple stores. I always try to get it the same price. Well, sometimes something doesn't work out for you and that item is sold out. So I'm like, okay, I know another store has it. What store has it? So I just check my list off. So if you guys want this, definitely go ahead and do that. But I mean, like I said, everybody's pretty much a Black Friday expert, and some of you guys refuse to go shopping. You want to do always online shopping. I love online shopping. I totally do. I take advantage of Amazon when they do the no rush, because every single time you get a product that you do choose the no rush, you get a $1 credit. Not a credit for your purchase, but you get a $1 promotional credit. So I use that $1 to buy digital movies. So that's one thing I like. And then please keep in mind, around Black Friday, if you guys are a true Amazon shopper, everything that you plan on buying at those stores, make sure to, besides like clothes and stuff, but make sure to put it in your Amazon wish list, like toys. I've seen that Amazon does price match pretty well. So I mean, if you guys don't ever want to leave the house, Amazon most likely will price match it. So that's another thing that I do, is like I keep an eye on those ads, and I keep those ads added to my Amazon wish list. because if I don't want to go to one store for one item, but I see that Amazon has it for the same price, there is that. So I know, I just wanted to kind of make this video. Everybody's starting to make these videos, and you know, that's no problem with that. I mean, you guys all know what to do. That's all I'm gonna say is majority of you, like 95% of you guys already have a plan, you know what to do. But I just wanted to tell you, like, that's how I prepare, how I get things ready. In my area, it's cold, you guys. Like sometimes, like one Thanksgiving, it was so nice outside, like we didn't have to wear a jacket. Another Thanksgiving, it's so cold where you have to wear snow pants. I had to wear long underwear because I was planning on standing outside because it was so cold. But what I kind of do is I don't like getting at the stores right when they open because they don't let everybody in the store. So I kind of just wait until everybody's in the store. Depends on what it is, because then I don't have to sit outside, and I don't bring my jacket inside because I don't want to be sitting there hanging onto it and hot as all heck. But Target's my store that I'm usually in and out pretty fast. Walmart, they're pretty fast. Like, it just depends on what store you want to go to. But I don't know if you guys have any go-to things of how to do it. I'm gonna keep my eye out. I know, like I said, I saw people saying that Target is, their ads coming out soon. Target does have like the 25 days of Christmas. They usually have a toy every single day. I'm gonna try to share with you guys on that. I don't know what is going to do or what they're going to do on something like that, but I will definitely share with you guys, you know, the toy of the day. I'm going to try to share with you guys more deals. Like a lot of you guys like Bath and Body Works, especially right now. You know, if you want to just give somebody a gift, they probably will have Candle Day, I think. Candle Day is usually December 1st. Last year the prices of the candles did go up. I'm not going to go super crazy over candles this year like I did last year. Sometimes I just go crazy just for a video, and I'm like, why the heck did I buy that? So I might go, I don't know, but I'm gonna definitely share with you guys some deals, especially like free shopping. So please let me know in the comments below what deals you guys want and like what kind of stores you want. But I'm gonna definitely try to share Bath and Body Works deals with you. I'm gonna try to share maybe some Amazon deals. Definitely Target, Walmart, Kohl's. I'm going to try to also share with you some more Walgreens and CVS if there's any freebies and stuff with that. I really want to try to get into you guys so you guys don't have to leave the house. Another thing I recommend is if you don't want to leave the house, do a lot of buy online and pick up at the store. A lot of stores these days right now, you can just pick up at the store. You don't even have to leave your car. They'll bring it right out to you. But just let me know if you guys are more interested in stuff like that. But I really want to help you save as much money as I can this holiday season. I want to make it bright. I want to make it happy because we have no idea what we're in for. I don't know. With the virus, they say it's getting better. Sometimes they say it's worse. They say Wisconsin right now is the worst state in the country that has the virus. But I don't know one person right now that has had the virus. Out of like my 500 Facebook friends in my real life, I think only 5 people have had the virus. So, you know, I think they're making it and I do take precaution, you guys. You know, I don't like going into public. I hate bringing my kids, but you know, I have nobody to watch my kids and I need to get out of the house. But it's like, you know, I just don't know what we're in for, but I know a lot of people are really pushing online shopping this year, and I'm totally fine with that. If I have to do that this whole year, I will definitely do that. But, and then I probably will show you guys a haul of everything I get that weekend on how much I paid for everything, if you guys are interested in that, because I am a huge bargain shopper. So anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know. Give this video a thumbs up. If you guys want to see some more apps that I use or anything else, I'm going to definitely try to. I know there's a Christmas wish app that I did do last year. I'm going to try to find something a little bit better. I might make a video on that. But I definitely want to help you guys save some money, and especially if it's not our money. So just want to say on that. Again, thanks for watching. I will see you guys sometime in the near future for some more Black Friday chit chat. Again, thanks for watching. See you guys later. Bye-bye.